lovely song by Sarkodie with La Vida Loca featuring Last Mid. Amazing song, guys. Rapaholic, all road leads to Baba Yara Sports Stadium for Rapaholic, the homecoming by Sarkodie over the Palm Bay, guys. So you can purchase your tickets, Rapaholic, the homecoming on September 27th at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Get your ticket. And media partners, MS24, we are part of it. But take it, visit their website, www.rapaholic.com, or dial star 714 star 666 9 on all network to get your Rapaholic tickets on the 27th September. It's going to be fun. Sarkodie will be giving us back-to-back hit songs. You will love to hear songs. You guys have been dying. You guys are willing to hear on the 27th September at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. So get your ticket, visit the website www.rapaholic.com or dial star 714 star 6669 on all networks. So yeah, Rapaholic, the homecoming first of its kind, and Sarkodie want to make statements. So yeah, purchase your ticket and let's go to Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Let's have fun and let's enjoy ourselves. Guys, you're welcome to the biggest show in the continent right now, MS Live with your boy Mac Moten. This is the show that we have insightful conversation with your favorite artists as they walk us through their music journey and future exploits. You can follow us on every single platform, MS24GH, hashtag MS Live. Stay tuned. I'll be back in a bit. Welcome back to MS Live right here on MS24 TV. I go by the name Mac Moten, and you can follow us on our socials, MS24GH, hashtag MS Live. And I have my first guest in the studio. This guy is very good with his vocal, with how he sings, his persona, his personality, and he goes by the name Pbee.
Yeah, man.
Man, how you doing?
I do.
I love your drip, Charlie. Your baggy jeans, your JC, you're just killing it.
Understand.
Your name is very interesting.
Yeah.
Pbee.
Pbee.
What does it stand for? What's the meaning?
Playboy.
Playboy.
Yeah.
Why that name?
No, not the Playboy.
Then which Playboy? Playboy be one.
Playboy.
Every Playboy be Playboy.
No be that one.
So which Playboy?
So when I told my parents that I wanted to do music, it was like family members no be a whole school.
Yeah.
And I don't come to music.
So I'm saying I grow when it's so.
I grow when it's too much. You bro.
Till they play. You be Playboy. Hey, Charlie, but Charlie. Okay, interesting. I like the name Pbee. Yeah. But what's your real name?
Michael Osei Frimpong.
Michael Osei Frimpong. Yeah. But you could have used maybe Michael the boy or something. What do you think?
It'd be weird.
It'd be weird.
Really
so you will stick to the Pbee.
Michael the boy.
That'd be what the ladies they love. Yeah, okay. Yeah. That means you do songs for the ladies.
Yeah.
But okay. For someone watching you for the first time, who is Pbee?
Pbee.
I just put you on the spot, right?
Wow.
But you try to. So who be Pbee? Okay. In one word, who is Pbee?
Pbee is a hungry boy.
Hungry boy.
Trying to survive. You know, Ghana, it be really hot here.
It be really hot here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Really hot.
Okay.
Pbee is just...
Okay. But how long have you been chasing this dream?
Since 2017.
2017.
Yeah.
And as you said, it's very tough. At times, do you regret your decision sticking to music?
No. I've never regretted it.
As you said, like your parents think, say, like you play.
Yeah.
And maybe at any time, maybe when you face challenges, you just say to yourself that, oh, why did I follow this path? Maybe I would have been a doctor, I would have been a teacher, but I decide to stick to this path. Yeah, welcome back once again. And yeah, sorry for the itches, but we are back. We are back for good. And I have my brother here, QB. QB, I want to ask Pbee, sorry. Yeah. You get me confused. Pbee, I want us to run it back. Run it back. As I said, your name, kind of regret at any point, maybe as you were talking about the challenges that you face in the music space or in the music fraternity? Does it make you look back that, okay, I regret choosing this path?
This is where I've always wanted to be.
Okay.
Yeah. I've always wanted to do this.
Do music.
Do music.
Okay.
So there's no regrets.
But how did you find music?
Music.
How do you find music?
I know be a person with you, like,
Express yourself.
you bar.
So you express yourself through the music.
Do music.
But then they push you. Then they push you. What pushed you?
My WASSCE results.
Well, I know they add up or something.
Okay, so I used to sing way back in school.
Okay.
But I never thought of writing or something.
Okay.
So it was right after SHS when my results came in, Charlie.
Yeah.
Be some plenty
Things, yeah.
But,
So you decide to stick to music.
my brothers got admitted, and I was the only person on UBAP. So the backlashes from the family get sense. Like,
Okay.
when you're serious, so one time I was just there, I got emotional, then I just started
Start
writing.
writing.
Something. It just came.
Oh,
I just
okay.
started writing
Okay.
something.
Okay. That's very cool. That's very cool. So you said you started music professionally since 2017. How many songs do you have out there?
I have like 3 songs now.
3 songs.
Yeah, but I
By
have
a lot of songs. By
Yeah.
someone who started 2017, like the gap is very wide.
Yeah.
Why has it taken you that long to release just 3 songs? Is it inconsistency in it or something?
I don't see this music business, it be, you for really invest, you bar. So as I started, then I dey pay producers 200, 300.
Okay.
The sound it dey come. I didn't
It's
like
not well
it,
mixed.
but,
It's not well mastered.
So I wanted to make some coins
West
before I
Beaver.
started
Okay.
officially. Yeah.
That means you have a side job
I had.
that you do,
I had.
but right now you don't.
Yeah. I used to go to Togo. Now I'm
Togo.
for sneakers.
Sneakers. And I'm baby.
Oh no, oh shit. I don't like with you.
Okay, so that was a side hustle at the beginning.
Yeah.
That means it was very tough. So let's talk about Grind Don't Stop.
Grind on stop.
How did you get to know them?
Grind on stop. To my manager,
Kunchi.
Yeah. So I posted a video one time, and he just reached out.
Okay.
My first video.
Your first video.
Yeah.
And was it your own song?
Yeah. It was
And which song was that?
Space.
Space.
Yeah.
Can you give me freestyle of Space that moved your manager to reach out to you?
Baby, I've been calling you. Would you please pick up the phone? I just wanna let you know that. You got this gangster drowning. So it was just that part. You got this gangster drowning. You say, Charlie, this boy.
Was it the aura? Was it the demeanor? What really attracted him?
The words.
The words in the song. Okay. Attracted him. Okay. So how long have you been with Grind Don't Stop?
2 years.
2 years. 2 years. So they have been producing your new songs, your new music, videos, and everything. I know Camido is with them.
Yeah.
How's your relationship with Camido?
Really cool.
Really cool.
Really cool.
But
You know,
have
he's
songs
my
with him?
senior brother, so
Okay.
I keep it cool.
Okay.
There are some things I can't do with him.
Okay, so it's more of like a family.
Family.
What's one advice you have gotten from Camido? Because it got to a point he was a little bit melancholic.
Yeah.
He was very down.
Melancholic.
He has been through a lot.
Yeah.
And someone who's new in the game, what advice has he given you?
Trusting God.
Trusting God. You're just using the lyric, the title of his thing. Okay, so should we expect any time? Time. Time is everything. Okay.
Yeah.
But should we expect any song with Pbee and Camido?
Yeah. 2 songs.
2 songs.
Hard ones.
Can you give us a little bit details about the song? How is it going to sound like?
Crazy.
How's it going to sound like? Crazy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't be the type where I go studio record something and come back. Come house, can't listen.
Okay.
But that particular song,
Okay.
I play them like 15 times. I was
Okay.
like, Pbee, you do this. I said, yeah.
Since we are talking about music, can you run us through your creative process of making music, of cooking music?
I know, sorry.
How's your recording process like? Someone will enter the booth, maybe you won't hear the beat first, then it will follow with melodies, then everything will follow. Yeah. Or some people too, they need something to boost their energy before they go record. I don't want to mention names.
I don't.
So with you, how is your recording process like?
Just an empty space in a dark room, then sense. Yeah.
Okay.
That be all.
Yeah. So it be like you there, Charlie. The moment you enter the booth, the flow will come, everything. Okay.
It's hard. Like I don't take one day to write a song.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Why does it take you that long? I know it's cool, but why does it take you much time for you to put everything together?
I overthink everything.
You overthink. Why do you overthink? Is it that you are afraid that when it comes out, people will say it's not good enough?
Kind of.
Or it's not standard?
Kind of.
But I think creativity, you just have to let it flow. You shouldn't overthink. You shouldn't overcalculate things. Don't you think so?
That's me. Like,
I feel like if you allow the energy to flow, just be yourself. Be Pbee.
I don't feel allow. I did try.
Okay.
I did try. It's really hard.
It's really hard.
It's hard.
Okay.
That's the toughest thing right now.
Who are some of the artists you draw inspiration from? You see them, you say, actually, the way they do their music, like it attracts you. You wish to trade places with them. Joey.
Yeah.
Why? Is it because of the new cypher he did?
No, because I feel Joey sing.
Long time. Okay.
He keeps it really calm.
Really calm.
Give him beats where they go boom, boom, boom.
He go kill him.
Keep really calm.
And he has these melodies too. Yeah. He can sing. He can rap. Yeah, for real. Like Joey be jam. He be generational talent, and he has been killing it.
You get haters.
Come again?
You get haters.
You get what?
Haters.
What haters?
Yeah.
I can't tell. For haters, everybody has haters. Even Jesus Christ said, the most righteous man got haters.
I feel everybody for love Joey.
Yeah, he's lovable. He's lovable. He's a very likable person. Everybody to vibe with. So I think that one is cool. I want us to talk about your new song. Closer. What is the inspiration behind that song?
Closer.
And where were you? Like, what really drew the inspiration?
So, I went to Rankin's studio. Then they play a couple of beats.
Okay.
I heard that one and I said,
But what made you settle for that beat?
Then a beat they call me.
The beat they call you. So it be calling.
They call you.
So mostly that's what you do. Normally that's what you do.
Yeah, I just listen to the beats. Some of the beats it comes with the vibe already, so you don't really need to do too much. Okay. So I just kept it.
Okay. So the message in the song, closer. Yeah. Who should get closer?
The Smallies.
Smallies. But you know what? I want to hear the lyrics of the song. So can you give me a little bit freestyle of the song?
So, see, you be the devil. I swear I will sell my soul to you. I want to ask you one question. I beg, what kind of string you be? You dey high me like Brucey Banner. Sometimes you dey high like OG. Oh, wanna. Now me dey compare me to Fopa.
Yeah. Bye. So this song, how long did it take you to record it?
This song, like a week.
A week. So with the vibe, like it just took you a week to put everything together. Yeah. And who mixed and mastered the song? Who actually produced the song? Rankin. And he mixed and mastered everything?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's one thing you have learned about this industry? although you just have 3 songs out,
Yeah.
and people are really banging to your songs, especially Meda. Meda is, I love that song. I really love it. Yeah. So, what experience have you gathered so far? And with your songwriting, it seems it's very unique. It looks very rare. Um, how do you approach your music? How do you approach your style of writing?
Style of writing. It's just the first word that comes to mind. Then I just read something
Okay.
out of it. Let's see. Murder
Okay.
or space.
Okay. So let's talk about
Let's
Meda.
just-
So it just came in mind.
Yeah.
Just came to you.
Murder just came.
Meda
Space was an experience, but then murder it
just came to you.
Yeah.
As you said, it's a calling.
It's a corner.
So Meda. So where were you at that point when you recorded that song, Meda?
Murder. I was in a hostel.
Hostel.
Yeah.
Okay.
UPSA.
UPSA.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So you were just there, and the word came to you, and started going with the flow. Why you want Meda someone or something? Who do you want to Meda?
Anybody will touch my beat. Murder.
Okay. Since you are talking about Babe, but who produced that song, Meda?
Vampire.
Beat Vampire.
Yeah, Beats
Okay. How's the experience working with him, because he's an OG in the game?
I've not worked with him personally.
Really?
I
Okay.
just download the beats online. Like on
Okay,
YouTube, and just
okay,
enter the
okay.
studio and just go
But the
record
song
it.
was big. After the song was big, has he reached out to you that, bro, like my beat, you really killed it, you nailed it? Share with us, how did you feel as like big producer, as Beat Vampire?
The first
reach out
time he
to you
followed
and
me
say,
on TikTok, I was like,
Okay.
"Charlie, I reach. Like, why they can't reach."
Eh.
Yeah. Like,
Okay, so he followed you on TikTok.
yeah, he followed me on TikTok.
Okay. But did he send you any message that you are killing it with the beat or something?
Well, for that, I don't remember.
No. But he followed
I
you.
know he followed
That shows sign of he has seen what you are
he sees-
doing.
yeah,
Yeah.
he's seen
Okay.
what I'm
Okay.
doing,
Okay. Okay. But when the song, as I said, is big, but to you, how has the reception been?
Good. Good.
How's the reception been so far? Like you hear say people they jump to Meda, hey Charlie, Pbee they kill him, oh, they kill him on this song there, Charlie. Just they kill him. You just murdered the song. How's the feeling like?
Murder is big, but and yet that big.
And yet that big. But
are-
Charlie, someone oh bad here, Charlie.
You are.
What is I'm not banning
People they recognize me if I go outside and sing, but yeah, I still
okay.
dey go outside to go buy my show.
Okay. So they see you, oh, Pbee, the ladies. Okay.
Yeah, like class one show, we be
No, Charlie, when who was Charlie Pbee, Charlie. And you guy in a ball, man, no, now more Charlie. But at times, does it, what's the word? Does it make you feel a little bit intimidated? Like going out, like maybe you are not up to that point, but the song is all over the place and people see they are pinpointing their hands at you. Maybe one with some Gary and Beans joint, you person cotton, Charlie, hey, guy. Hey, but I'm like, I branding, no.
Brandy. Me see free jiwa go muna me ko talk about because
Okay. So how do your fans connect with your music? How do they connect with your music? And what's one thing you want your fans to always take out of your music? What's one thing? How do any talk for one? Say, Charlie, why are you like? Obi ayanyom say obi be related to nyom no. People go jam to the song. People go love the song. But what's one thing you always want your fans to pick from your music? Ade baako. We for any talk for ade baako I won't say. Because me show ya, me show ya me no interview no. If I say cool be a come obi or share, oh Charlie, the show be vibe. The show be educative. Where the artists too they interact with to like it go motivate someone who they watch the TV. Say, okay, I've seen the experience this guy have been through. It will motivate me to do more or something. So with you, what's one message or one thing you always want your fans to pick from your music?
You just do what you love.
Do what you love.
Yeah.
Do what you love.
Yeah.
Okay. So you preach about love.
Preach about love. It's all love.
It's all about
It's all
love.
love.
Okay,
So,
okay, okay, okay.
but
Okay, that's cool.
you need to have some kind of passion for what you
Do
do.
passion.
Right.
Okay, okay. So with the ladies, but are you in a relationship? This is a personal question though, but are you in a relationship? Are you seeing someone?
She left me.
She left you.
Yeah.
Why? You be found boy, so
You see,
so why?
oh, I don't really get time then.
Because you're busy. You are busy with the music.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So which of the females do you love to work with? Which of the females, the Ghanaian females you
There are
love to work
plenty.
with? You love their
All
energy.
of
Let me
them.
give you some names. Let me give you some names. Okay. Wendy Shea, Jackie, and Sister Fia.
Jackie.
Jackie, why Jackie?
Songbird. Child.
Songbird.
Yeah.
So do you feel like Jackie kind of music complements your style? Okay.
Jackie and Joey kind of have the same.
Energy.
Yeah.
Okay.
They take it really cool.
Cool, calm, collected.
Yeah. Me gidi. I don't be.
Now, be on your giddy giddy. Yes, I was saying when they say now full, no, I balance it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because opposites attract. Because when you down there, Charlie,
Oh, but I mean, I love when they share too.
we dey love when they shade. I hope say no be the backside they love.
Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your favorite when they shade song?
When they share. With Shatawali.
Shatawali.
Yeah.
Okay. That song is a banger. Banger.
Just like
See, you wonder. Anchor.
Yeah, that's
Okay. That's very, very dope. So Closer is out. I hope it's out on all streaming platforms.
All streaming platforms,
Okay. That's very dope. But how has the reception been so far for that song, Closer? How are people gravitating to the song?
Before the song was released out, then people started dance to it.
Hey, why the song leaked or something?
It was just some few
Snippets.
seconds of the snap. Yeah,
Oh,
snippets.
okay.
Then they danced to
Did they dance? Did they jam to the song? Okay. So what's next for Pbee? What should we look out for?
So I did drop my next single next month.
Next month.
Yeah.
What's the title of the song?
LOVE.
LOVE. Love. Yeah, my
It's
man
all
is in love.
It's all about.
Who be the lucky girl?
Oh, I'm not finding out yet.
Yeah. You still the search.
I still the search.
Mix and rib.
Yeah.
Okay.
More show me quick.
Okay. So what be the title of the song?
Upload it. Which one?
What be the title of the new song?
LOVE.
Oh yeah, you just mentioned it. Okay. So Close Eyes out. Okay.
Eyes out.
So last words to your fans. What should they expect from Pbee?
More bangers.
More bangers. Okay. Nice having you on the show, Pbee. I really appreciate your time.
Thanks for having me.
Bro, guys, keep supporting my brother Pbee. Is out with a new song. Closer is out on all streaming platforms. Stream it and add to your playlist. Guys, let's go for this quick musical break. I'll be back in a bit.